Today on Healthy to Hog Wild Food, I'm making sausage Giambota soup, a delicious spin on the classic Italian dish. Let's get started.
We're going to begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large Dutch oven and frying 2 pounds of sausage links. Once sausages have cooked, remove and set aside. Next, subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipes. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 3 sliced sweet onions. Once your onions have begun to brown, add your sliced peppers. The full recipe can be found in the description as well as on our website at healthytohogwildfood.com. Once your peppers have browned, add 5 cloves minced garlic and cook that until just fragrant. Once garlic is fragrant, deglaze pan with 1 cup white wine. Reduce this by half. Once reduced by half, add back in your sausage sliced, your roasted garlic and potatoes, and 8 cups of beef broth. Chicken broth. Next, we're gonna cover this, leave the lid cracked. We're gonna simmer this for 2 hours to build flavor. Okay, it's been 2 hours now. It's time to turn the heat off and add a hefty pinch of parsley. I'd like to ask everyone to please like and share this recipe because it truly is an amazing one. Okay, we're gonna plate this now.